Didn't have to pick up a barrel curler, didn't have to pick up a wand curl. It came like this, so your girl is happy about that. I didn't have to style, it came pre-styled. So yay, you nice. That may have been the quickest and easiest wig install I have ever done. Glueless wig install. Because for one, it came pre-cut, pre-bleached, pre-styled. Like, it came with these curls. I took my fingers through them and took them out. And that was it. I added a little bit of my shade to the front lace. That's it. I love these highlights. This balayage brown, it just feels like it complements so well with so many skin tones. I had to try it out because y'all, look at this. Look, just look. Didn't have to pick up a barrel curler, didn't have to pick up a wand curl. It came like this, so your girl is happy about that. I didn't have to style, it came pre-styled. So yay, you nice. Yeah, so this is a glueless hairline. That's what happens when you can find your shade that you need and put on the lace. Y'all, no glue. Y'all see that? No adhesive. She's back down. Yeah. These are the goodies that came inside the box. I did have a lace cap, wig cap. I already had one, so I just used mine. We have a melt band, and I also have this edges brush, and they have an extra attachable brush, so I guess so when this one gets dirty or old, you can just switch it for this one.
Y'all, that is it for these videos. Shout out to Amazon, you nice. All the information on this hair will be down below. This balayage is definitely going into my favorites rotation. Follow me on social media to see some pictures and updates about this wig, because we're definitely wearing her for Christmas, and I'm definitely going to be posting a lot of content.